Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation error code 454867 where there's a connectivity issue on your PlayStation. Now the first thing we want to try is go up to settings right here and select this. Then go to account management, and then we can try restoring the licenses on our PlayStation. Maybe we're having an issue with some sort of content we bought through the PlayStation Store, and this might help the issue. So we can try that. Then we could activate our PlayStation 4 as primary under this section as well if you haven't already done that. Then we can back out of here, and we want to go down to network. Then choose this and go to setup internet connection, and then choose your currently connected internet, whether it's Wi-Fi or LAN. So I'm going to choose Wi-Fi, then go to custom instead of easy. Then choose the Wi-Fi network if you're doing this. So I'm going to choose Mr. Beast, and I don't have to type in the password because I'm already connected to it. It's going to say please wait, go to unmap for the IP address, do not specify for GHCP hostname. Then for the DNS settings, we want to go to manual. Now for the primary DNS, type in 1.1.1.1, press R2, then go to the secondary DNS, type in 1.0.0.1, press R2, and you're done. Then go to next, go to unmap for the MTU settings, then do not use for the proxy server. Then you can go ahead and test your internet connection right here on the bottom. Now if you're still having issues, go ahead and press the PlayStation button down and then go to turn off PS4. Now locate a USB cable like this and plug in your controller. And wait for your PlayStation 4 to completely turn off so the light is blinking. Once it's completely turned off, it's going to stop. Now hold down the power button, you will hear one beep, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later you will hear another beep, and your PS4 will launch into the safe mode menu. I heard the second beep, I'm going to let go. Then go to your controller, press the PlayStation button, operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad, and select with X. Now under here we have a couple different options that we can go ahead and try. We can go down to option number 5, rebuild database. And if you have any kind of corrupted data on your PlayStation 5, this should go ahead and fix it. It says it may take a few hours, but it only takes like 5 to 10 minutes. So you can try that. It's going to restart your PlayStation 4 a few times, and then you should be able to launch your games like normal. Then we can go to option number 3 and see if this is an option for us. Update system software. Maybe there's an issue with the system software being updated, and this is a way that you can prompt the update. So go to option number 3, update using internet, if you have that available to. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.